Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover Telegram deleted messages or Telegram deleted messages recovery or deleted Telegram chats recovery. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Telegram. After that, open Telegram. You can see in this here my Telegram account, and in this I can easily recover or restore my all deleted Telegram messages or Telegram chats. So let's see. So first of all, I can delete some Telegram messages or chats. After that, you can see in this I can delete some Telegram messages or chats, and in this you can see I can delete some Telegram messages or some Telegram chats, but I can easily recover or restore my all deleted Telegram messages or Telegram chats. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to my Google Play Store. Google Play Store, open it. You can see deleted messages recovery. Please install this app. After install this app, open it. So first of all, you can choose and select your own language. I can choose English language. After that, right top corner, click on it. Choose next. And in this you can choose and select your need apps. So first of all, I can choose WhatsApp app. And then choose Emu app. Messenger. You can see Telegram app. In this time I can choose Telegram app. So click on it, add. After that, right top corner, click on it. And in this area you can see WhatsApp, Emu, Messenger, Snapchat, Telegram. So in this time I can choose and open Telegram. So open it. After that, you can see all, open it. Data range. You can see all, today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 12 months, or custom, open it. And in this one you can choose and select your need start date or end date. So in this one you can choose your need option, but I can choose first option, all. After that, go back. And in this here I can see my all deleted Telegram deleted messages or deleted Telegram chats. In this here easily recover or restore. And in this way I can easily recover or restore or read my deleted Telegram messages or Telegram chats. You can see in this I can easily recover or restore my all deleted Telegram chats or recover or restore all deleted Telegram messages. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.